Hello everybody, I'm Nick Tabackhorst, owner of T-Box Landscape. We're a landscape company serving central Iowa. We're at our shop here today just north of Ankeny, Iowa, and we're working on some retaining wall block, teaching my employees some tricks of the trade, but we also want to teach our customers how we do things. We do things the right way. You know, we may not be the cheapest, but the work you're going to get from us is the quality work, and it's the landscapes that are going to last a long time. I'm going to do a really quick demonstration today. You know, we get a lot of questions. People ask us, so you build a retaining wall, right? You're just stacking some blocks on top of each other. You know, yes, but not really. You know, the walls that tend to fall over, the companies that just throw them together, they stack, but they don't care about what's going on with the wall. You know, as I like to tell people, when you build a house, you want to spend money on what's in the walls that you don't see. You know, you spend the money on your electrical and your plumbing, but you don't see it, but it makes your house strong. The same goes for retaining walls. What you don't see is some of the cost is added to it, but what you don't see also makes your wall last a lot longer. We're going to do a quick demonstration today here of a product we use called Geo-Grid and how it makes our walls so much stronger. We're going to take this first blocks here, and we're not going to do anything with it. We're just going to stack it. So go ahead and give me some blocks here. We're just going to take this box here, and we're just going to keep filling it up all the way to the top. We're going to tamp it as we go. One more scoop maybe, there we go. Yep. So this is gonna be what the low cost bidder is most likely gonna do. They're just gonna take this rock and they're gonna put it behind your wall, and they're just gonna be lucky if they even tamp it. They're just gonna kind of forget about it. When we do walls though, we like to incorporate what's called Geo-Grid. What this is a fabric. It's woven together, really, really strong. We actually will put this in our backfill when we're building the walls. So we're gonna give you a couple of scoops in here. We're going to tamp it just like we did the other one. Now we're actually going to put this Geo-Grid in here between the layers as we're doing that. Yeah, it just goes in there, it's nice and level. Go ahead and give me a couple more scoops. Once again, we're going to go ahead and tamp it. Another layer of Geo-Grid. One more time, we're going to tamp it. We're going to put one more layer in here. And we're going to fill this box in. One more time, we're going to tamp. So what we have now is we have two boxes here that are filled with drainage aggregate, which is going to be placed behind the walls that we built. So the first box here has no Geo-Grid in it. We're going to open it up and we're going to see what happens to our aggregate when we open that box. Unfortunately, some of it pretty much fell out. But what happens here, if I step on this, it's probably going to fall apart. That's not good. This adds weight behind your wall and it makes your wall not very strong. Now, if you come back here to this same box over here that has the Geo-Grid in it, open it as well. Some of it's going to fall out for sure. Not a big deal. But look what happened here. This box is actually still standing pretty good. I'm going to step on it. Look at that. Of course, some of it's going to fall out because it's a pretty small box, but this retaining wall block here that I'm going to pick up, I'm about 180 pounds. This block is going to add about another 65 pounds. I'm going to stand on this again. Look at all the weight that it's holding. Heck, I can even just start stacking these retaining wall blocks onto this. It's not going to fall over. Heck, for good measure, 4 is a good number. Let's do one more. See the sheer strength of that Geo-Grid that's going in there to that wall. You know, we may not be the lowest price, but with us, you can guarantee that it's going to be done right and it's going to last.